Fence posts attracting termites or pests can seriously wreck your yard vibe if you don't handle it right from the start. So, first off, always treat your wooden fence posts with a good insecticide before you put them in the ground. Like, soak the bottom part where bugs love to munch the most. If you're not into chemicals, using naturally resistant wood like cedar or redwood helps tons. Another solid move is to set the posts on concrete bases or metal post anchors so they don't touch the dirt directly, which keeps termites away. You can even switch to metal posts if you want a pest-free option that lasts way longer. Make sure you keep the area around your fence clear of debris and mulch because pests love hiding spots close to wood. Regularly check your fence for signs of damage or pest activity, and act fast if you spot anything weird. Lastly, keep your lawn trimmed and dry, since moist environments attract termites and other bugs that mess with fences. One of the biggest mistakes with fence posts attracting termites or pests is not treating the wood before installation, which lets bugs feast from day one. Fix that by always applying insecticide or using treated wood before putting posts in the ground. Another common issue is letting wood sit directly in soil without any barrier, making it super easy for termites to get in. You can solve this by using concrete footings or metal post anchors. Third, ignoring regular fence inspections means problems go unnoticed until they get bad. So check your fence every few months and fix any damage quickly to stop pests from moving in. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners who want to find trusted local contractors for all kinds of home jobs, including pest-proof fencing. Contractors also get a solid way to connect with people looking for their skills, making it easier to get work done right.